In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to check in with Ryanair. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to perform a check-in online for a Ryanair flight. After you are done with the booking process and when you are approaching the date of your flight, you will have to perform a check-in before boarding. This process can be done online, usually 1 or 2 days before your actual flight. So, I'm gonna teach you how to do it on the mobile app, but keep in mind that you will also find the option under your bookings if you log into the website. If you are doing this process on mobile, when it is time to do a check-in, you will see this message close to your flight, check-in available or check-in open. You can also tap the check-in option at the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen. Immediately upon tapping check-in, you will be able to select from any of the flights attributed to your account and start the process. So when you select a flight, the first thing that you have to do is confirm the passengers and include all of the requested information, such as a passport number, date of birth, and so on. Once you input all of the contact information for all of the passengers which are going to be attributed to this booking or this flight, you will be able to proceed, and they are going to offer you plenty of optional services. So you will be able to acquire extra baggage, change your seats, and so on. You can select from any of the available seats, and like I said, you can get upgrades later. So don't worry if you would like to add extra optional stuff. When you proceed, you will be able to review everything, see the final price and any included fees if you chose to acquire any of their optional services, and you will be able to perform the check-in directly through the mobile app. You can repeat this process as many times as you need for any flight on Ryanair, and like I said, you can also do it through the website if you prefer. Just sign into your account and go to My Bookings. I hope I was able to help you on how to check in with Ryanair. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.